Today I'm going to show you how to wash shoes inside of a washing machine. Here is my washing machine. Right here it is a front-loading washing machine. Take note of that because I'm showing you how to do it in a front-loading washing machine. You see I have white shoes and they have accumulated dirt on the sides right here as well as on the fabric on the top. Now what I tend to do is when I'm washing shoes, I keep the shoelaces in there because one, I don't want to unlace them and put them back together. And then two, you can wash them with the shoelaces for most shoes from my experience. So what I do is I have the shoelaces inside of there and then I have it tied tightly right there to make sure that it doesn't come apart right there. And then what I do is I come inside, that didn't sound right, but I pull out the insoles. You see that? I pull out the insoles of the shoe. Right there. Pull out the insoles out of the shoe. Right there. You want to make sure that those are out completely. All right. Now, with that being said, what I'm going to do now is I am going to actually put the shoes inside of the washing machine. Now, before I get to that, I just want to say, if you want your shoes to dry faster, make sure the shoelaces are out of this and then go ahead and put it inside of the washing machine. That way, when it is done, you can actually pull back the tongue, allowing more exposure to drier air to dry out the shoes. All right, so with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and place the shoes inside of the washing machine. Now, depending on how big your feet is, you may just have to put the shoes in there by themselves. But because my feet aren't that big, I'm actually gonna put something in there. All right, and this will help out most washing machines because sometimes when you just have a few items in there, it doesn't tend to wash too well. In the contrast, if you have too many things in there, it also will not wash as desired. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw a few things in there. All right, the shoes aren't heavily soiled, so I'm just gonna put these items in there. All right, and this is going to help. All right, maybe, yeah, I'll put that one in there as well. So the shoes aren't super dirty. So now that I did that, now I have to add the detergent to the washer. All right, so the one thing when you're washing shoes, do not use fabric softener. Right here, I have fabric softener. You don't want to add fabric softener to shoes because one, from my experience, it will make the shoes attract dirt a little bit easier because fabric softener adds oils to the shoe and the oils will trap in the dirt, from my experience, and make the shoe look dirtier. All right, so what I use is I use a couple of things. One, I use detergent. You can use liquid or powder detergent. I choose to use liquid. So I'm gonna put enough liquid detergent in here. And it's important to measure it out perfectly because you don't wanna add too much detergent to the wash because it will turn out not good. All right, so I put the detergent, put a little bit in my hand, rinse it off. And then also, I add something that it actually helps get the whites even whiter, as well as get off any biological substance like natural fats, carbohydrates, proteins, anything that you may have spilled on your shoe. I have something that can actually assist with that, and that is called enzymes. This right here are washing enzymes, and what it does is it breaks down fat, it breaks down proteins, and it breaks down carbohydrates to give your shoes or your clothing a brighter, fresher look because those substances aren't ingrained in them anymore. So what I do is I'm gonna add some of this enzymes. You can find enzymes perhaps at the store or you can get them online. Parasol actually uses enzymes in their detergents, as well as some other detergents. If you ever heard of OxyClean or something like clothes whitener or anything, a lot of times they use enzymes to actually help get those clothes to a brighter look without the use of bleach. So I added the detergent there, and so I'm gonna go ahead and close this door. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to go ahead and shut the door, and then I'm going to turn on the washing machine. So I'm gonna put it on normal settings for cottons, not delicates over here. I'm not gonna do synthetics. I'm gonna pick the temperature. Now I tend, especially when I'm using enzymes, I tend not to go for super hot water. And the reason why that is because the reason why you may want to go to hot water sometimes is because if you're just using detergents without enzymes, you need that heat to actually assist with the detergent to release all of the dirt and grime and grit, whatever's on the fabrics that you have inside of the washing machine. But because I'm using enzymes with the detergent, I don't need to use that hot of a water. So what I tend to do is I tend to put it on warm, okay? You can do warm, you can do 40 degrees right here. That's Frios right there. You can do 40 degrees or 60, okay? I'm gonna do 60 degrees, and that is Celsius right there, okay? And so what I'm gonna do here is once I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and select all of this. I'm gonna select the speed. I'm gonna actually have a high speed right there. And then just make my selections. And then go ahead and start the wash, okay? Make all of my selections and start the wash, and that's how you get it started. One thing that I forgot to say is you can throw the insoles inside of the washing machine. I just took them out so it can get clean with inside the shoes, and also so the insoles can get clean. But I accidentally, or not accidentally, I just did not put them in there before I started the wash. And I'm not sure if I can open the wash mid-wash to throw these insoles in, but if it clicks to where it says, yes, you can open it, I will, but it doesn't seem like that is the issue right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this run and perhaps put the insoles inside of a different load. They came out pretty white, very clean, and that's how you clean them. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.
Disclaimer, not all shoes can be thrown in the washing machine and washed accordingly, like I just did. I have these shoes that are made of fabric. Of course, you wouldn't use leather shoes. You wouldn't throw those inside of the washing machine. I use fabric, and I use this at my own risk. So when you wash your own shoes, you are washing them at your own risk because a lot of manufacturers say you shouldn't throw it in the washing machine. However, I did it. My shoes came clean. But just remember,